Hello students, welcome to the today's session of our subject, that is design of machine element 1. We have started unit 3, that is fluctuating loads, and in this unit we have covered the stress concentration, the causes of stress concentration, and the methods to reduce the stress concentration. Apart from this, we have also seen in the previous lectures the factors such as stress concentration factors, methods to find out the stress concentration factors, and the experimental charts related to it. Based upon that, today we will see some of the numericals on the stress concentration. So here is the first numerical, that is a flat plate subjected to a tensile force of 5 kilonewton is shown in figure. The plate material is grey cast iron Fg 200 and the factor of safety is 2.5. Determine the thickness of the plate. Now here in the figure we can see a flat plate subjected to a force, it is tensile force of 5 kilonewton on the both side. The inner diameter for the both shaft at different section is given. The fillet radius is also given and the hole diameter is also given. So here P, that is 5 kilonewton, and ultimate tensile strength is given as 200 Newton per mm square. Factor of safety is also given, it is 2.5. So with the help of this, first we will calculate the permissible tensile stress. So sigma max is equal to ultimate tensile strength divided by factor of safety. Here the ultimate tensile stress is 200 Newton per mm square divided by factor of safety 2.5. So the permissible tensile stress we get 80 Newton per mm square. So next in step 2, the tensile stress at fillet section we will calculate. Now the stresses are critical at the two sections, it is the fillet section and the hole section. So we will see in this step the stresses at fillet section. Here sigma 0 is equal to P by dt, where here P is given as 5 kilonewton, that is 5000, divided by D, it is unknown to us, and D and T. So D here is 30 as we can see from the figure, and T is unknown here. Now the capital D by small d ratio, that is it is 45 by 30 is 1.5, and the ratio of fillet radius and the smaller shaft radius, it is R by D equal to 5 by 30, it is 0.167. So using these two ratios from the figure 5.3 we will find out the concentration factor. So here in figure 5.3 right side, the D by D ratio is given and R by D ratio we have find out, that is 0.167. So we get the stress concentration factor as 1.8. So sigma max is equal to K2 into sigma. So KT is 1.8 into sigma O is 5000 divided by 30 into T. T is the thickness of the plate. Now here T is unknown, so sigma max is equal to 300 by T Newton per mm square. In the next step, that is step 3, we will calculate the tensile stress at the whole section. Now here sigma, that is stress at whole section, is equal to force upon area, that is P by area here is W minus D into T. So it's become 5000 divided by W is 30, D is 15 and T is unknown to us. Now the D by W ratio here is 15 by 30, that is 0.5. So using that ratio, D by W ratio, from figure 5.2, we will calculate stress concentration factor. So to the left side, KT is given, and at the bottom side, D by W ratio is given. So our D by W ratio we will find out the stress concentration factor, and we get it as 2.16. So sigma max is KT into sigma, and ultimate we get sigma max equal to 720 by T Newton per mm square. Now here the last step is the thickness of the plate. Now we got two equations, that is equation 1 and equation 2. So from these two equations we can see that the maximum stress is induced at the whole section. So equating it with the permissible stress, it is 720 by T equal to our permissible stress is 80. So we get T, that is thickness of plate, as 9 mm. So this is the first type of numerical we have seen. Now one numerical the students can practice at home, that is a rectangular plate of 15 mm thick made of a brittle material, that is shown in the figure. Now calculate the stresses at each of the holes of 3 mm, 5 mm and 10 mm diameter. The answers are given in the bracket, so try it at the home. In the next session, we will see another type of examples related to this. Thank you.